I was kind of got some weird, whatever. How you doing, baby?
Oh, I'm really good. How are you, sweetie?
Oh, I'm doing great. Want to get started?
Do you want to do the intro for us?
Sure.
All right. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this right here is my weenie Mushane. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, Nana BOOZHOO.
Thank you so much. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And for those of you who are new here, BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO is a podcast, and we teach Ojibwe language and culture. And today, I thought our Ojibwe language word could be Manoominike Giizis. Manoominike Giizis. Do you know what that means, sweetie?
Yeah, it means wild rising moon.
Wild rising moon. Oh, you're so smart, sweetie.
I know.
And this time of year, August, we call it the wild rising moon. Manoominike Giizis. And that's because this is a time of year where the Anishinaabe harvest wild rice. And the elders would tell us a story. We weren't always here from Minnesota.
I know.
Back in the days of the grandfathers, we used to live out by the, what do they call that? Niagara Falls. And then there came a day when a medicine man, a Mushkiki Winninini, he had a vision. Gitchi Manadu, the great spirit, comes down and he goes, hey, you know what? It's time to pack up and go. And this medicine man's like, what do you mean? And he goes, well, I want you to head west. There's a feeling I get when I look to the west. Nah. And I want you to travel west. And the guy was like, okay, well, how far west? And Gitchi Manadu goes, you'll know you're there when you get to the place where food grows on the water. And the medicine man was like, no offense, Gitchi Manadu, but I think you mean food grows in the water, like fish. And Great Spirit was like, hey, don't get smart. Nah. And so he headed out. And they canoed and canoed until their arms were just tired. And then the day came when they came to the Great Lakes, and they saw Manoomin, wild rice. And sure enough, it was growing on the water. And that's why we call it Manoominike Giizis, wild rising moon. Because at this month, is the time to harvest the Manoominike, or the Manoomin, I should say. And so we call it wild rising moon. And that's about it. You got anything you want to add to this, sweetie?
Yeah, just, if you'd like to support the show, I hate doing this, but we gotta do it. You can become a patron saint supporter of the show by clicking on the link down here and sign up for Patreon, or you can leave us a tip. You can buy us a cup of coffee, and go to PayPal. And if you want to buy some coloring books or comic books or some children's books that teach Ojibwe language, click on the link for Amazon.com. And you can buy some books from Michael Lyons. And, or you can order some t-shirts and cups and that. I don't know. Or don't do any of that. All right. Well, hey, should I sign off?
Yeah, go ahead, sweetie.
You have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. Mrs. Natasha. I will see you again. Ego Abamin. Menoa. Oh, wa. All right. Good job, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.